In this video, we are going to show you how to analyze articles using Poppy AI. Now, we can do this two ways. We can, one, go online and search for an article. So we are in Google Scholar at scholar.google.com and just look for scholarly articles that we want to analyze, right? Or number two, you can just upload a PDF to your board. So for example, we want to use this specific board right here, Purple Narwhal, right? All we need to do is log it in. There you go. So let's open one AI chat window like so. Let's zoom it out a bit, put it here, and then let's just choose this article over here, cut, and then just paste it anywhere here. So wait for it to load. There we go. If you're just using one article, this is fine. But if you're using multiple sources, I suggest open a group like so, and then put the article, whether it's a URL link or a PDF inside here, so that you're more clean. You know, your board's cleaner, you're more organized, right? So there you go, and then connect the board, the group, to the Poppy chat, and then here on the prompt, let's just say, I want you to analyze the article in the group connected and give me a 3-paragraph summary. Press enter. It's going to do that. So that is pretty much how you analyze. As you can see, it is not analyzing, but that is how you analyze an article using Poppy AI. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy, you can get a $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description we have provided below. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.